Today I'm going to show a basic threat detection and log analysis lab on Ubuntu. The objective of this lab is to enable security controls, generate failed login events, analyze system logs, and explain suspicious activity. So first, I need to enable Ubuntu Firewall using. Okay, so let me write some command sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade -y. Now I'm going to enable firewall using uh, install ufw. So sudo apt install ufw -1. So it's done. Let me enable this firewall. Sudo ufw enable firewall is already active. So let's check the status. Sudo ufw status rows. So firewall is active. Now I'm going to okay. The firewall helps protect the system by controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. I verified firewall status using sudo ufw status virus. Now I'm going to install ClamAV antivirus, run a scan on test folder. So to do that, I'm going to again install sudo apt install ClamAV. ClamAV. Okay, so we can dash daemon -y. Let me run this command and see. Unable to look at the package AB. So I think because of mistype, let me make it smaller. Okay, so yes, it's work now. So now we're going to enable sudo system ctl enable ClamAV dash demo. Right, so system sudo system ctl start ClamAV daemon. All right, it looks starting. Okay, so let's check the version. Scan version. Okay, so we can see the 1.2.3. Right. So this step will show how antivirus tool can be scanned to detect malicious or suspicious file on Linux system. Then I'm going to enable audit login using audit d. So before I do that, I'm going to create a folder. So like dir scan underscore test. So equal this is a test file. Test scan. Let me name it test.txt. Okay, so evidence to show that. So we can do another command plan scan dash r scan underscore test. All right. Now I'm going to enable logs. Okay. So first of all, what I want to do sudo apt install audit auditd audit spd. Sure. Enable 2. Okay. So apt install audit. Okay, let me check the status. Sudo, why this one is not letting me do that? Sudo system ctl audit audit d. So this one already active. So what I can do now, I can add a role. So sudo audit d audit ctl. So what I can do now, sudo audit ctl dash w varlog dash log dash p. Permission should be read write, execute dash k login monitor. Okay, so enter. Now run this previous one. Now there is a one. Okay, now sudo auditd auditctl auditctl w dash atc facility dash p read write cute pass monitor. Parameter passed without an option given. Okay, we'll find this one. Sudo same password parameter passed without an given parameter. So parameters means asking. Okay, so okay, that looks working fine. Okay, so audit logs are important because they track system activity such as access to important file and authentication related events. So now what I need to do, I'm going to generate failed login events. So now I'm going to create so add user, add user. I'm going to create a user. So username. All right. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to create a new user. Password for new user. So I just create a new user. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to choose this user. So what I can do, I can open another terminal and here, so I can see here Mola user is using. So now I'm going to try to log in or so test user. I can try sudo test. Okay, so what is saying, it asking for password Mola. So okay, let me try wrong password. So what I got, wrong password. So sudo three incorrect password attempt. Now check the authentication bar. Check the authentication bar. I'm going to back to the previous terminal. So what I can do now, sudo grep sudo grep authentication failure. Okay, then bar. So I can see here authentication was captured. Okay, right. Now analyzing log. So what I can do now, next I'm going to analyze audit logs. So check the audit logs related to login monitor. So the command you can write sudo audit source dash k login monitor dash. So what we can see now, clear these things and what is the command for that? Okay, let me run this one. Okay, one cloud. So sudo uh, report. Okay, then what I'm going to do now, sudo report dash. All right, now I'm going to save this evidence. Okay, so I'm going to make directory again. Dash p. Thread nav evidence. Sudo ufw status verbose. Right now I'm going to check ls dash. So this one's like that, and let me be Wi-Fi.